Welcome back, Freedom Savers. It's time for the Crazy Aggressive Dividends portfolio update that I do every Friday. My shift is changing at work, and I may have to push a couple of these updates out to the weekend, Saturday or Sunday, and I'll let you know when that happens. For now, it's every Friday, and just want to give you a little heads up on that. All right, Crazy Aggressive Dividends, let's get into it. So the current value of this portfolio is $1,173.30, and I have $1.90 sitting in cash. Let's hop over to the spreadsheet. $1173.30. I have deposited $1,220, so I am down by $46.70. I did not go crazy with the deposits this week like I did last week. I've only deposited the $50 on Monday, and then we did have a down day on the 25th, so I scheduled another $50 on the 26th. Dividend wise, I've earned $11.66. It almost doubled in earned dividends today alone. There was a ton of ex-divs today. Yeah, that's quite a bit of ex-divs today. I'm up to $11.66 of earned. Now, this is a little off because according to M1, it says I'm at $11.65, but my calculations show $11.66. And I went through every one of these individually on M1 by pulling up each individual stock and seeing the dividends that I've earned on them. And I did this twice on every one of them. And these numbers are exactly the numbers it shows I've earned. The earned dividends were correct as of the 27th on my portfolio. So somehow all these dividends add up to be one more penny than the overall earned dividends that M1 is showing. So that bugs me a little bit that it's a penny off, and I'm not sure why. We're going to have to wait probably a month here in January when all these guys pay out and see what I actually get paid and see if it matches up here. But anyways, long story short, I've earned $11.65 or 66 cents, and I've only been paid $1.01 of that so far. December, I've been paid 67 cents of it. I have not updated the yearly dividends, the yearly dividend information, so this is incorrect at the moment. This is last week's information. I apologize for that. I will make sure I get that done next week. Unfortunately, I'm running behind today. If we hop over to our holdings, our biggest loser is VGR or Vector Group, which is unfortunate because I really like that company. That's my cigarette company that also buys real estate. So it's a cigarette/real estate company. That's too bad. I'm hoping that recovers. I really like that company. CVR Energy also down, Ford down, and Masabi Trust down. My biggest winners is MV Oil Trust, which is pretty awesome because they have a great dividend. B&G Foods has been performing very well for me. I'm kind of surprised about that. They're kind of unknown compared to the big boys. Government Properties doing great. I'm happy to see that. I know that they're going to be combining with another REIT here soon, and it'll become a totally different name. And SCM, Stellus Capital Investment Corporation, is doing well as well. Those are my top four. And that's pretty much all I got on the Crazy Aggressive Dividends portfolio. As for the BDCs and MREITs, overall performance is pretty decent, I think. I mean, it's been a very volatile week, going up and down. It's been quite a roller coaster. But these really aren't like dying on me like I, possibly expected. I mean, that's a pretty big drop. But, I mean, for the most part, these are performing pretty decently. I mean, I will see how it does in the long term, and that's kind of what this is all about, is to test it out and see whether these are actually valid investments in the long term. But so far, it's about 50-50 overall. And, I mean, one's up and one's down. So, yeah, I'm kind of impressed with this portfolio so far. I do have more money, obviously, in the individual stocks that I had picked than I do this one. I only have 700 there and 469 here. But yeah, I'm kind of impressed. So anyways, that's the update there. And as you know, this one I'm depositing $50 a week into, and I'll continue to do that for the near-term future anyway. So I hope you guys are doing good. Keep investing and stay cool. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you liked the video, hit that like button for me.
If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.